I actually had a couple friends that went to the acting center and they loved it. It seemed to help with their overall confidence and kind of career goals, so I decided to give it a shot. Other acting classes I've taken, I have looked for kind of something that challenges me in terms of pushing myself to outside of my comfort zone in a very structured way. And the acting center provides that structure for pushing yourself. There's two main differences between the acting center and other schools. The first difference between the acting center and other schools that comes to mind is the structure, is having the lesson plan laid out. You kind of have a checklist of everything that you need to take care of that day and working towards your end goal of accomplishing that course. And you can just see it all visually right there, what you need to work on, what objectives you have for that week. The other main difference is sort of the positive encouragement that you get. There's no negative criticism. It's all just kind of like a blank canvas for the artist to work on without having a fear of judgment or criticism. My favorite thing about the acting center is having that freedom to create characters over and over is really fun and interesting. And it's just, every class we create dozens of characters and it's just super cool. I remember working on set just a few weeks after going to the acting center and playing a character, and specifically using techniques in class to stay in character on set, because on set there's lots of distractions and you're kind of like popping in and out of the scene a lot and just kind of honing in on who that character is. The acting center so far has given me confidence in general in my performance and my ability to take on and create new characters.